Hey there, folks! It's your favorite monkey here, and boy, do I have a wild dream to share with you. So picture this. I'm in the middle of the most glorious banana paradise. Bananas as far as the eye can see. Big ones, small ones, some that even dance. Yeah, dancing bananas. You heard me right. I'm just about to grab the juiciest one when, poof, I wake up. What a bummer, right? Oh, bananas! It was just a dream, I mumble, still half asleep. Well, maybe my real bananas are ready today. I should probably go check. First things first, I need my trusty machete. Where did Derek put it this time? Ah, there it is, right where I left it. Good old Derek, always keeping me on my toes. Now let's head to the farm. Oh, the car's low on fuel again. We'll refill it this afternoon. No biggie, I say, shrugging it off. Because hey, who needs fuel when you're chasing dreams, right? So whenever I'm not monkeying around at the office, I love spending time at the farm. It's my happy place where I can enjoy the fruits of my 34. Wait, is it 35? Ah, whatever. Years of hard work for this nation, building a nation one banana at a time. Ha ha ha. So next time you're feeling stuck in the city, remember, there's a whole world out here just waiting to be explored. Grab your sense of adventure and get ready for an exciting day. As I drive down the path, the fresh morning air fills my lungs, and I can hear the birds singing their morning tunes. Ah, there's nothing quite like the peacefulness of the countryside. Ooh, am soaking in the tranquility. I can't help but feel a sense of pride. Look at them, all lined up, tall and strong. This is what I live for. I see they're ripe and ready. It's going to be a busy harvesting year, but worth it. The fruits of my labor, literally. So many folks are missing out on this simple joy. There's something incredibly fulfilling about being connected to nature, to the land, and to the fruits of your own efforts. Oh my goodness, they're all ready. Jane will love this. She likes them just ripe from the farm. Let me have a taste of this year's harvest first. Ah, time is for the living. You know what? I think today I'll just sit and eat bananas. No other food for me today. And how comes the birds never destroyed most of the bananas this season? It's a blessing for sure. While I'm still here, I want to encourage anyone willing to do banana farming to give it a try. Seriously, it's worth it. Now I should cut this bunch off. But Derek didn't sharpen the sickle. What's wrong with this boy? Ooh, I'm tired of trying, but I ain't leaving this here. God damn it! The rain will catch up with me, and I've only harvested 6 stalks. This silly road didn't help either. Derek! Anyone there? No one around here. I must go with this today. It's banana day today. So even though it's a bit of a struggle, there's something incredibly fulfilling about harvesting your own bananas. Each bunch is a reward for all the hard work. And when Jane sees these ripe bananas, her smile will be the best part of my day. Remember, folks, life is a lot like banana farming. There are ups and downs, but the sweetness of the harvest makes it all worthwhile. I am literally tired. Bananas need a lot of care and attention, and when it comes to harvesting, you need reliable people to help you do it correctly. Having just one person do everything is a hassle. I need to add someone on top of Derek. I guess I'll just wait because I'm literally exhausted. While I'm resting, let me tell you why I love bananas. Here are 3 main benefits of bananas for everyone. 1. Nutrition. Powerhouse. Bananas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. They're great for kids who are growing and for older folks who need to maintain good health. 2. Energy boost. Bananas are a fantastic source of natural energy. They provide a quick and easy boost, making them perfect for a midday snack or before a workout. 3. Digestive health. Bananas are rich in fiber, which helps keep our digestive systems running smoothly. They can help prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. And here's a banana joke for you. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. Ooh, there he is. Derek, can you come? We have work to do. I can see him across the rice fields. Derek wants to take the long route. No. Derek, just cut across the rice field. Yes, this way, and be careful. I've spent lots of money on that wheat farm. Step with care. What took you so long, man? I've been struggling over here. And please, make sure to sharpen our tools. I almost collapsed trying to cut a bunch. Hey, have some of the bananas first, then help me load the truck. I have to get to the market earlier. Most fruit vendors close early today. Do you think we can beat last year's yield with this year's? I am amazed by the results. Hurry up, Derek. We don't have time. And remember to come back and cut the stalks for the cows. A little salt on them will add a taste they won't forget. Okay, slowly now. Careful with that. I keep repairing my car because of heavy loads. Ooh, thank you, Derek. You are a lifesaver. All right, down, down. Slowly, slowly. There we go. Okay, Derek. I'm going to leave one bunch on the condition that you sharpen our tools. Don't leave them rusty. But before that, I need this banana. It's big, so big. Careful. We don't want injuries. Just have everything ready. I don't know if I will find Matt to buy my produce at the market. He was supposed to fly to Africa for a safari. Chap, we go. And stop petting me on the head every time, man. What's the problem with you humans? Stop handling me like a kid. Get off the door. I'll just drive myself. Hey, and thank you for being my cavalry today. I owe you one. This terrain is always a problem, you know. More gas, more gas. Yes, there we go. Sometimes I have to stand and shake the car to give it proper balance. There we go, arriving in style at the market. Let's choose a parking spot as I find a vendor. It's quite busy today. Hi, Jeremy. Have you seen Matt? He replies, no. Ooh, okay, ooh, now. Parking is always a problem in this market. How do people park in such small spaces? Ooh, oops. Sorry, my reverse almost knocked over your veggies. Hey, check my front so I don't hit anyone. I have to be patient and wait a bit. This market is just crazy. Sometimes it's busy, sometimes just idle. You know, knowing where to take your produce is so important. I think Matt really went to Africa. I guess I have to yell, "Bananas! Bananas! Who wants bananas?" Then there we go. "Hey, yes, ma'am. You can take them for $80 each bunch. Do you know where I can find some chick geese to buy? I need to breed a few." "No, they are not for slaughter. I want them for breeding." Speaking of farm produce, the money you get can facilitate you to do more projects like the geese and sustain your life. City life is hard, but if you take it simple, life can be very unique and easy. If you like more of this content, please subscribe. Now, an intriguing question for all you farmers. What do you do with the money you make from selling your produce? Let's comment and enlighten each other. Ooh, what a beautiful day! Sometimes the little hurdles in life add to its juiciness. Apart from having fun, I hope you've learned something about the importance of appreciating the little things around us. They can make a big difference. I'm going home happy with some geese chicks for my next project. Agriculture is rewarding and relaxing. Feel free to spend time with the soil, understand birds, and make a little income from it. I am sure the little rewards will keep you going. Whether it's the joy of harvesting your crops or the simple pleasure of watching your plants grow, every small success adds up. So here's to embracing the journey, cherishing the small moments, and finding happiness in the everyday things. Until next time, keep smiling and enjoying life's little pleasures. Yes, little ones, welcome to your new home. Derek, are you home? I have some new arrivals. Yeah, I think I now need a beer. How much was I left with?